Do you want to be able to fix app not installed error on Android? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes in this process. So, if you see this error when you install any Android application, so there are like few fixes that you can do. First of all, you will go to the settings, then you will click on apps and notifications, and then you will click on see all apps, and then you will search here for Google, and you will actually click on this option which says Google Play Services. So you will click on this one, then you will click on storage and cache, and then you have to actually uh, it, then you have to actually clear the cache of this application. So you will click on this application here, this option here, sorry, and now its cache has been cleared. And then you will head back and you will search for Google Play Store. You will click on the Play Store application, and you will click on storage and cache, and same process, you will clear the cache of this application too. Then you will open up the Play Store, and you will click on your profile image onto the top right. Let me just again open this up. You will click on your profile image onto the top right, and then you will click on this play protect option here, and then you will click on this gear icon onto the top right, and you actually have to disable like these two options here. Okay, you actually have to disable these options here, and then you will again head back to the settings here, and then apps and notifications, and then if you scroll down you can see this option which is called special app access, and then you will click on install unknown apps, and make sure that this option is turned on. So after like changing these settings here, you will be able to install the application. Okay, and now your error is being fixed. So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.